The elevated 2022 Ford Expedition is built to empower adventures for families, like the Ramirez family. Their Platinum is the smartest Expedition ever.
Check this out.
And the Ramirez family. Their all-new Ford Expedition with the Stealth Performance Package is the most powerful Expedition ever. And it sounds just as good as it looks.
Check this out.
And the Ramirez family. Their all-new Expedition Timberline is the most off-road capable Expedition ever.
Check this out.
It's powerful enough to haul all of your toys. Big enough for a big family who's big on fun. And capable enough to take you wherever you want to go. Especially if you're into dirt kicking, off-road exhilaration. Comfort, performance, outdoor exploration. Whatever kind of adventures lie ahead for your family, we have an Expedition for you. Even when you run out of road.